In this video, we are going to talk about three things that is making graphic designing difficult for most of the beginners. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then join me and let's get started. So, after 5 years of being in the field of graphic designing, I have realized that there are some basic mistakes that beginner graphic designers are doing, and at the end, it makes graphic designing difficult for them. So today, I want to share this with you. In case you fall a victim, then you know how to go about it. Number one is skipping the basics. So put in mind that you can't just start graphic designing today and tomorrow you just design like someone who has already been in the field for 10 years. People just want to skip the basics and just begin to design big works, and it doesn't work that way. Just take it step by step. Begin by learning the software, and after learning the software, you now go into some basic principles and elements of design. After that, you learn something about color theory that will help you to choose your own colors. After some time, you'll see that you build upon it and become a perfect graphic designer. So don't always skip the basics. You can't just start and design like a pro. It doesn't work that way. And number two is avoid designing with templates. So there are some beginners, immediately they know how to use the software. They just go online and download some templates, come and edit the templates and use it as their own. Yes, your work will be nice at the end of the day. It's fine, but it will make you feel like you are good. Meanwhile, you are not good. You are just editing people's work as your work. So try avoid always depending on templates. But what you can do is just seek for inspiration from online. So you look at the work of other creators, other designers, then you pick some inspiration from it. Then you design your work out of that. So doing this for some period of time, you realize that you can build your own concept based on so many inspirations you have come across. And this will help you to make graphic designing very easy for you. And the final one is beginner graphic designers normally wants to learn multiple softwares at the same time. Yes, it's fine you do it that way, but that is what is making graphic designing difficult for you. What you're supposed to do is just pick one software, learn it, then build some concepts or some designs for with that software. After some time, if you think you are okay with the software and you can use it, then you add another software. So you can begin from learning, let me say, Photoshop. After some time, you design with Photoshop, build concepts and other stuffs. Then you upgrade yourself. You add another software, being it Illustrator or CorelDRAW. After that one too, you can also upgrade by adding another software. I think learning one software at a time is better than trying to learn multiple softwares at one time. And you know, this will discourage you and make you feel like graphic designing is very difficult. Just follow this simple advice and trust me, after 6 months, you'll design like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you and I can improve our tech knowledge together. My name is Kwesi Ayest.